Hello, today's topic is the 3D views, which includes the scope box, section box, and the callout. The scope box. Scope boxes are used to control the extent of elements. We can change its size and position in a 3D view. In other words, we used scope boxes to chop the whole 3D view into a specific region. It is highly recommended in the procedure of creating a scope box view to duplicate the original model 3D view. Unless otherwise we duplicate that 3D view and rename it, we may wrongly think that we lost that model original 3D view. And please note that scope box applies only if we are on a plan view. For example, I will hit View tab. Notice scope box is inactive or grayed out. While if we go to a floor plan view, for example ground, the scope box is activated. The first step, hit View tab, scope box. I would select that area. Select on that scope box. From properties, rename the scope box so we can recognize it. Step 2. It is way important after renaming our scope box to go to our project browser to our duplicated 3D view, not our original 3D view. This is our original and this is our duplicated 3D view. The third step, modify tab, selection box. Now we are getting our scope box and without losing our original 3D view. In the worst case, if I lost my original 3D view, like this case, I can go to the properties, section box, untick it or uncheck it to redeem our original 3D view. But then we will lose that scope view. Moving to the section box. We can apply a section box to a 3D view to limit the geometry shown in the view. It is used to clip the viewable portion of the 3D model or view. Same as the scope box. We need to duplicate our original 3D view, or else we might think that we lost that 3D view. I have already duplicated the 3D view, rename it section box example. Then I would go to the properties and I would check section box. I would drag from the control arrow the section box as per our preference. So this is our section box example view and this is our original 3D view. Finally, the 3D callout views. 3D callout is an accurate way to provide 3D detailed sectional views. As usual, we need to duplicate the 3D original view and rename it, then apply the 3D callout procedure on that duplicated 3D view in order to obtain that 3D callout detail permanently and not to let us think wrongly that we lost our original 3D model. I have already duplicated the 3D view, rename it callout example 2, and this is our first step. Step 2, creating the callout. Hit View tab, callout. But please note that we need to be on an orthogonal view, floor plan view, sectional plan view, or an elevational view in order for the callout to be activated. For example, if I go to my 3D view, I would notice that callout is disabled and grayed out. I would choose to go to floor plan view ground level. Callout, rectangle. So I would choose that region. Notice that under the floor plan view ground level, a callout is created and we can rename it to recognize it. Step 3. to apply that callout to our duplicated 3D view. To do that, we need to go to our duplicated 3D view, callout example 2, and in the context menu, right click, orient to view, floor plans. This is our created callout underground floor plan view. Click on it. We can also expand our callout this way or that way. And by this we come to the end of our topic today. Please like this video if you find it helpful.